Hello students, our chapter is Fibers, part 4. In this module, we will be looking at the topic from cocoon to silk, and after that, we would be discussing few questions. So let's get started. From cocoon to silk, the breeding and management of silk moth for the production of silk involves the following steps. The eggs of silk moth are stored on strips of cloth or paper and are sold to silkworm farmers. The eggs are reared in hygienic conditions at suitable temperature and humidity till the larvae comes out. The silk moth larvae are then fed on mulberry leaves under controlled conditions. Larvae spin cocoon when they stop eating. Fully grown cocoons are sorted out according to their color, size, shape, and texture. The sorted cocoons are immersed in boiling water or exposed to steam. This kills the pupae inside the cocoon. About 5,500 cocoons are used to get 1 kg of raw silk. The cocoons are then put through a series of hot and cold immersion. The process is called softening of sericin. The sericin or silk gum is a gummy substance that holds the two strands of fibroin protein of a silk fiber together. The next step is the process of unwinding silk filament from the cocoon. This is called reeling the filament. 3 to 10 filaments of cocoon are usually reeled together to produce the fiber of raw silk of desired thickness. This is called throwing.
From cocoon to silk. Fully grown cocoon are sorted according to their color, size, shape and texture. The sorted cocoons are immersed in boiling water or exposed to steam. This kills the pupae inside the cocoons. The cocoons are then put through a series of hot water. This is called softening of sericin. Sericin or silk gum is a gummy substance that holds the two strands of fibronine together. The next step is the process of unwinding silk filament from the cocoon. This is called reeling the filament. Here you can see the process of reeling the filament.
After throwing, the silk fibers are spun into silk yarns which are used by the weavers to weave the silk cloth. The process of interlashing the two yarns into fabric is called the weaving. It is carried out in looms. After the weaving, the fabric has to be finished. Finishing gives a fabric the desired appearance and feel. Finishing includes treatments such as grease-proofing, waterproofing, fireproofing, etc. Now let's talk about occupational hazards of silk industry. Workers of sericulture industries are affected by respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis due to inhalation of vapor arising from cocoons when steamed, boiled, and reeled. Workers develop infectious skin disease due to dipping of hands in boiling water while killing the pupae. Severe headache, fever, and pain in neck and lower back have also been observed in the workers of silk industry. Leg deformity and bow-leggedness are also found in some workers. Now let's discuss about burning characteristics of few fibers. The first fiber is wool. It burns slowly and stops burning when removed from candle flame, and this property is called as self-extinguishing. The smell of burning is exactly as that of burning hair. The residue left after burning, that is turned brown, then forms shiny hollow beads which can be crushed into powder. Our next fiber is silk. Silk also burns slowly and shows the property of self-extinguishing. The smell of silk on burning is exactly like hair, but not as strong as in the case of wool. Residue after burning is silver beads formed which are easily crushed to powder. Our third fiber is synthetic fiber. Example, nylon or polyester. It melts and shrinks on burning. The drops of molten yarn falls to the ground. The smell of burning is exactly as that of plastic. Residue left is dark hard beads. Now let's do checkpoints. Checkpoint 1. Answer in one word. First, a wool-yielding animal found in Tibet and Ladakh region of India. I hope you all know the answer. The answer is yak. Second question. The process of shaving off sheep body. And the answer is shearing. Third question. The goat from which pashmina wool is obtained. And the name of the goat is Kashmiri goat. Fourth question. The sheep from which carpet wool is obtained. The answer is Nali. Fifth question. The family to which llama and alpaca belong. And they belong to camel family. Sixth question. The substances from which synthetic fibers are prepared. The answer is petrochemicals. Now let's come to checkpoint 2. Write true or false. First question. Rearing of silk moth for obtaining silk is called sericulture. I hope you all agree with this, so this statement is true. Second question. The silk moth lays egg on the leaves of coconut tree. And the answer is false. They lay egg on leaves of mulberry trees. Third question. Silk is formed of sericin protein. It's true. Question number 4. The silk moth of Tessar silk feeds on neem leaves. Again, it is false as they feed on oak leaves. Fifth question. The pupa of silk moth rest in cocoon. This is a true statement. Now let's do practice time. I want all of you to answer with me. A. Tick the correct answer. The first question. The process to obtain fleece by shaving the body of sheep is A. Dyeing, B. Sorting, 3. Shearing, D. Spinning. And the answer is C. Shearing. Second question. Which of these is not a natural fiber? A. Wool, B. Silk, C. Rayon, D. Jute. And the answer is rayon. Third question. Silk fibers are formed of A. Protein keratin, B. Protein sericin, C. Protein elastin, or D. Chitin. The answer to this question is B. Protein sericin. Question number 4. Wool fiber is straightened by the method of A. Carding, B. Reeling, C. Scoring, D. Spinning. I hope you all know the answer. Answer to this question is A. Carding. Question number 5. Fiber that burns with the smell of burning hair is A. Polyester, B. Wool, C. Cotton, D. Acrylic. Answer to this question is B. Wool. Sixth question. The body of sheep is shaved A. Every month, B. Thrice in a year, C. Twice in a year, D. Once in a year. I hope you all know the answer, and the answer is D. Once in a year. Question number 7. Anthrax is also called A. Sauter's disease, B. Foot disease, C. Camp, D. Bow-leggedness. And the answer to it is A. Sauter's disease. Question number 8. Which of these countries is the top producer of wool in the world? A. India, B. China, C. Argentina, D. New Zealand. The answer to this is China. Fill in the blanks. First, the dash and dash are fibers of animal origin. The answer to this question is wool and silk. Second question, wool is a dash fiber, whereas nylon is a dash fiber. Answer to this is wool is a natural fiber, whereas nylon is a artificial fiber. Question number 3. Alpaca and llama are breeds of dash for obtaining wool. The answer to this is alpaca and llama are breeds of camel for obtaining wool. Fourth question. Silk is obtained from dash of silk moths. Answer to this is silk is obtained from cocoon of silk moths. Fifth question. The silk moth dash silk is found in Brahmaputra Valley. Answer to this question is the silk moth of Munga silk is found in Brahmaputra Valley. Very short answer type questions. Question number 1. Define the term sericulture. Answer. The rearing of silk moth for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Question number 2. What is scoring? Answer. The process of washing hair of sheep is called scoring. Question number 3. What do you mean by burrs? Answer. The small fluffy fiber are called burrs. Question number 4. Why is sheep immersed into antiseptic solution immediately after shearing? Answer. Shorn sheep is dipped in antiseptic solution to protect it from skin infections. Fifth question. Name the country that tops in the production of A. Wool and B. Silk. Answer to this. A. Wool. China tops in the production of wool. B. Silk. China tops in the production of silk. Question number 6. What is cam? Answer. The outer coarse hair of sheep is called cam. Students, I hope you enjoyed this module. You will be getting the PDF to write the question answers in your notebook. In next video, we will be dealing with short answer type questions, long answer type questions, and HOTS. We'll end this video with a great saying, you do not find the happy life, you make it. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe, and have a great day.